And next I'm going to show you how to do a increase, a 4-stitch increase. 1 stitch basically becomes 5 stitches, and this is one of the stitches that you will need for the Lita shawl, and I can show you down here. That's what we're going to learn now. So from 1 stitch you're going to make, from one come many. So you're going to work up to the stitch like normal with your slipping and your brioche knitting. So here is where your 4-stitch increase will happen. So you're going to go into the brioche knit stitch as if you're going to just regularly brioche knit it. You're going to take the yarn and bring it through, but you're going to leave both the yarn over and the stitch on the needle. So brioche knit, yarn over. Then you're going to go back into the same stitch, still leaving it on the needle. Brioche knit it again. That's 3 loops on the needle. Yarn over, and one more time through the stitch. Brioche knit, and now you get to pull it off the needle. So what you did is you made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches out of this 1 stitch. Slip 1 yarn over. I'm going to show you again. So your increase is going to happen in this knit stitch here, in this brioche knit column. You're going to go into the stitch as if you're just regularly going to brioche knit it, but you're going to brioche knit it, leave it on the needle, yarn over, brioche knit again, yarn over, brioche knit. You made 5 stitches out of 1. And it works the same if you're a thrower. You would just basically do it from over here. Wait, that didn't work. Haha. Yarn over and around, yarn over and around, and there we go. There you have your brioche increase done as a thrower. You will need all these stitches for the Lita shawl, which will be out soon or is already out at the time this video is going to be released. My name is Simone, and thank you for watching.